I'm Elliot Seaborn, and I'm here in Amsterdam with a team of very powerful Randstad employees participating in the Randstad Senior Executive Program. Our assignment? To build sensory stations for a group of mentally impaired or physically disabled people somewhere outside of Amsterdam. First, we had to organize ourselves. We elected our leaders and divided ourselves into teams. We arrived in Hamstag. We had our safety briefing with some absolute experts. We grabbed our equipment and we're ready to do some good. We split into 4 teams. Team Double Loop, headed by Yahoon.
No pressure, just a lot of fun.
Team Unconscious Obsolescence, headed by Anna Katarina.
The team chose me to be the leader, and so it's a great experience for me.
Team Conscious Indulgence of Desire, headed by Fiona.
Well, it was just democratically elected, I guess. We've been preparing this box and we're really proud that we actually got it standing upright on its wheels.
And lastly, Team Snackable, headed by Kirsten.
Snackable concept. Now you've put me on something. I have no clue what that was.
Lots of pit stops recharged us. Maybe added just a little bit stress.
Within the academy, we think it's important to put the human forward promise into practice. So making sure that we can move our leaders forward by developing them in these learning journeys, but also giving something back to society. And with this, actually, one of our main core values is put into practice, which is simultaneous promotion of all interests.
I'm Ankie Schumacher. We here work with people that are very low functioning, mentally and physically disabled, which means they require a lot of care. And because of this project, we can, like in the summertime, go outside and stand by that wall and they can touch it and they can feel it. It saves a lot of time and it's really interesting for the clients as well.
The leadership team met frequently to plan progress and talk challenges.
Go, go, go.
The home stretch was a pressure cooker, so everyone had to prioritize.
I'm not the fool everyone expects to play me for. So I can change the pattern.
Everyone is really up for it right now.
This group is a group of very senior leaders within Randstad, and they have potential to grow to even further positions. So each and every one of them knows where their strengths are, but also what they would like to develop further.
Oh, that was better than said.
You've been doing it wrong.
Angie, do you have a hammer? We've got nails here.
In the end, though, amazingly, it all came together. Beautiful work from an amazing team.
May I have your attention, please? We will cut a rope.
Thank you so much. We'll enjoy this for years and years to come, and I'm sure our clients will absolutely love it. So thank you so much.
We will always remember how we banded together to do some real good for some great people.